nice. I have one of my friend. He has a lot of parrot. Parrot also. Huh? Yeah. It's okay. It's nice now. Hello. Yes. How are you? Are you happy, huh? It's raining. It's very beautiful weather. Yeah, I have one of my friends. He has a lot of parrots. Here, yes, they live in here in your village.
Like this Macau?
Yes, they have a lot. One room, all Macau. Maybe 8, 10, yeah. And also he has also cut too much also the another room. They love Macau. Hello, how are you? Yes. Okay na. Hello, baby. They jealous that one, he said. Why are you jealous? Huh? That one too is coming also. Look, look. It's nice. Oh. Hello, hello. Hello. Beautiful weather, right? You go home na. You need to go. What's his name?
Charlie.
Huh?
Charlie.
Carly. Carly. You go home na. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Bye. See? Also this is a boy or girl?
This man, this man.
Wow, so beautiful. He doesn't like to go out. He doesn't like to go. See? Thank you.